Okay, we're back for the second part of this video. As I promised, we're going to talk about the 7-Up back of the bottles. Now, there were several different styles on the backs of the bottles. So we'll go over the ones that I know of, and then there's probably even others out there. The first one, we'll pull that up, seen only on 8 bubble bottles from probably 1936 to 1937, said, "A cooler off, a fresher up, for the stomach's sake, don't shake or stir. You like 7-Up, it likes you." Then it had how many ounces in the bottle. Then the phrase, "Carrying the 7-Up trademark, this bottle must not be used for any other drink." And that is the example of that one. Number 2, the next one I don't have an example of, but it says, and it is found on 8 bubble and some of the earlier 7 bubble bottles, and was probably used from 1938 to about 1945 or so. And it said, "A fresh up drink, for the stomach's sake, do not stir or shake." And then it changed a little and said, "You like it," rather than "You like 7-Up. It says, "You like it, it likes you." Then how many ounces in the bottle, and the warning, "Carrying the 7-Up trademark, this bottle must not be used for any other drink." And then it had the company information at the bottom. Then I do have an example of the next one, and it was used from about 1940 to 46, probably not any later than 1948, but it said, "The fresh up drink with fresh up," you can see fresh up in parentheses, then it had 4 lines of contents information, then the slogan, "You like it, it likes you," how many ounces were in the bottle, then the warning with a slight change. It now says, "This trademarked bottle," rather than carrying the 7-Up trademark. So it changed to "This trademarked bottle must not be used for any other drink." Then the company information. Then we go to the next one, which I do have an example of as well. The next one is a variation to what I had just said, but now between "You like it, it likes you," and how many ounces are in it, there is a white line with a diamond. And that is the next variation. And then the next one, I do not have one that's like this, but it was probably used in about 1949, and it was all the same, except it changed the font a little, added 7-Up at the top, and changed the word "lithia" in the ingredients to "lithium," and also changed the words "soda citrates" to "sodium citrates." As you see in this older one that I showed earlier, it has the ingredients "lithia," and it says "soda citrates," but it changed to "lithium" and "sodium citrates." Then the next one I do have an example of. This one from about 1949 to 1953 is when it was used. It had only one change, and this change was that the word "lithium" was completely removed from the ingredient. So it no longer says lithium at all in the ingredients. Then the next one I do have an example of, the next one here. And this one used from 1953 to 1968. This is on the bottles where there's no longer the swimsuit lady or the bubble girl, and it was probably used for the remainder of the time. But it said 7-Up at the top, then You Like It, It Likes You, and the ingredients, and then it changed to say Fresh Up with 7-Up. And then on the bottom, it should have the bottling company information. However, this one does not, which shows you that there are so many variations to these bottles. Then there is a rare bottle, and on this rare bottle it says a cooler off, a fresher up with settles the stomach below, and then adds the words takes the ouch out of grouch. And it was on a 7-ounce bottle, and if you find that one, then that's a rare bottle and that's a keeper. There's also, I also have a bottle that's strange to me. Another difference is this one, and it is written in Spanish, and it says on the bottom of the front, it says Diga 7-Up, and in the back it says sabroso y saludable para su paladar, para su estómago. 7-Up le gusta, le cae bien. No debe agitarse. Esta botella contiene 1515 cc y por apare ser en ella la marca registrada 7-Up. No debe ser empleada para ningún otro producto. Emboteado en Panama. 7-Up of Panama. So, pretty crazy. This 7-Up is Spanish. It's the only one I've seen. I'm sure there's more out there, but as you can see, there are a lot of different variations to bottles, and I hope you like this video.